Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression. Today, we will practice what you learned before. Numbers 0 to 10, and the verb to be, with I, you, he, she, and it. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I'm ready to speak.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with clear rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you speak about what you see.
That sounds simple and useful.
Exactly. Let's start with shadowing. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Shadowing. For shadowing, you will listen and repeat each short phrase. Keep your voice calm and copy the rhythm.
Okay, I will listen first and repeat after you.
Perfect. Let's begin. I'm Emma. You're Nexo. I am ready. You are ready. He is happy. She is here. It is small. It is not big. Are you ready? Is he here? One, two, three. I see 4 books. She is 5. He is 6. It is 7 o'clock. You're 8 today. Nine is a number. Ten pencils are on the table. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read it aloud slowly.
I'm ready. I will read clearly.
Great, Nexo. Let's listen.
Today, I am in a small park. It is sunny and I am happy. A boy is near a tree. He is 6 and his sister is 9. She is friendly. A little dog is on the grass. It is not big. You are here with me, and we say hello.
Great reading, Nexo. You did it well.
Thank you, Emma. The text is short and clear.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Look at the image and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I can try. I will use short sentences.
Nexo will describe it first, and after that, it is your turn.
In the picture, I see a small classroom. It is bright and clean. 2 children are at a table, and 1 teacher is near the board. On the board, there is a poster with numbers from 0 to 10. There are 3 red pencils, 4 blue books, and 5 green apples on the table. A small dog is by the door. It is not big. The children are happy, and the room is friendly.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image in your own way, using the words shown.
Short sentences are okay, right?
Yes, do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. For example, 1. 1 teacher. 2. 2 children.
I can do that step by step.
Exactly. Now you are listening, so pause the video and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.